Hi, my name is Dylan, and I'll be going over Elementary and Intermediate Algebra Chapter 5.6. In this video, I'll be going over function notation, the intercepts of a model, the domain and range of a model, and that's it for this chapter. So we can use functions to make predictions, just like we can use equations to make predictions. Write a function that describes the growth rate of a tree if the height of a tree is initially 2 feet, and a tree grows at a rate of 2 feet per year. Alright, so this is actually pretty simple. So we write f of x, this function, is equal to 2 times x plus 2. This 2 is the initial height, and this 2 right here is how much the tree grows per year, and x the number of years, and this whole thing, f of x, represents how tall the tree is. So we can use this function to determine how tall the tree will be after 48 years and when the tree will reach 220 feet. So after 48 years, so f of 48 is equal to 2 times 48 plus 2. If we do this math, we'll get that the height of the tree after 48 years is 98 feet. Now, if we do the opposite, we can find when the tree will reach 220 feet. So 220 is equal to 2 times x plus 2. We subtract 2 from both sides. 218 is equal to 2 times x. Divide both sides by x. 109 is equal to x. Or the tree will reach 220 feet after 109 years. So let the function p represent the percentage battery remaining of a computer after h hours. What is the p-intercept and what is the h-intercept? So the p-intercept is what the p-value is when h is equal to 0. So when we plug in 0 for h, we'll get that the p-intercept is equal to 75. And the h-intercept is what the value of h is when p is equal to 0. So when p is equal to 0, h is equal to 3. All we have to do is plug in the other value as 0 into the equation, and we'll get the intercepts. So making predictions. If McDonald sold 1 billion Big Macs in 2000 and is selling 15 billion Big Macs in 2014, predict in which year McDonald's will sell 30 billion Big Macs. Alright, so the function of x is equal to the slope. So we need to calculate the slope. So the slope is 15 bill minus 1 bill over 2014 minus 2000. So the slope is equal to, and if we do the math, the slope is equal to the 1 bill per year. So the f of x is equal to 1 bill times the number of years, or x, plus 1 bill, because the originally McDonald's is selling 1 billion Big Macs. So if we want to predict which year McDonald's will sell 30 billion Big Macs. So if we plug in 30 billion for f of x, 30 bill is equal to 1 bill times x minus 1 plus 1 bill. We subtract 1 bill from both sides, so 29 bill is equal to 1 bill times x. So we know that x is equal to 29 years. Or, in other words, and 2029, McDonald's will sell 30 billion Big Macs. Let's say the amount of levels a person beats in a video game is equal to 2 levels per hour. This person plays anywhere from 0 to 5 hours per day. Write a function that describes the situation and find the domain and range of it. So I wrote the function already, and this function is L of h, or the levels beat per hour, is equal to 2 levels times h. And so I drew this graph right here to show this function. And I drew every single point from 0 to 5. So now this becomes pretty tricky. We want to find the domain and the range of the function. Now notice that this function does not go on forever. This person only plays from 0 to 5 hours per day. So we know that the independent variables can only go from 0 to 5. So just by that, we have determined the range of this function. Now we need to determine how many levels the person can beat. So he can beat anywhere from 0 to 10 levels in these 0 to 5 hours. And so just by doing that, we've determined that 0, 10 is equal to the range of the function. So notice how the domain is the set of all possible x values. X cannot equal 6 because the person does not play 6 hours of video games per day. And the range is 0 to 10 because this is how many levels he can beat up to 5 hours. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something from this video.